Well, solenoid A and B went out now, so I'm back at the junkyard getting these, swap them out. Here we go again. Previously I replaced C and I was good for months, but I just got the codes on these guys. They are not shifting. I'm stuck in neutral. My car only reverses. All you gotta do is pull these tabs. You just have this one bolt. It holds both of these on. Both of these just come off by pulling back. And done. All right, I popped in the new solenoids, connected the wiring. New A, B, and C. And I'll do the whole damn vocabulary until I get this car running again. Time to put the cover back on, fill it back up with transmission fluid, and see if it gets into drive. 259,000 miles and moving forward. And that's how you make it happen, do it yourself, and prosper.